We know basements are rare in Arizona, but what's even more rare is a patio in a basement in Arizona. Here at Cedar and Slate, we've developed this basement patio. And if you've seen the exterior elevations of Cedar and Slate, you know that the pitched roof is a heavily pitched roof, which means when it rains here, the water's coming out the roof fast. So up here, you notice we don't have a very large opening for a lot of water, but I've got two roofs that are pitched right into this area. So I've got to deal with a bunch of water that's going to come into this area and get it out of here. How do we do that? Well, on this one, we didn't want to see a bunch of surface drains. So what I did, I created a linear drain along this wall. That's our main drain. This whole floor is sloped to go into that big 4-inch drain. And then we have an insurance policy, which is the one right here at the doorstep. This is in case water ever came this way, it would never enter into the house. It would go into this drain and come out. So this drain here is tied into the sump pump of the basement, which goes into the sump pump and then goes up and exits on the other side of the house. Then over here, the client was really concerned about it, and he just wanted that extra insurance policy. So we put in this large 20-inch drain, and this is hooked up to an exterior pump here inside this well, and this gets shot into the sump pump that's inside, and then it'll get pumped up out of there. So this is just that insurance policy besides that other insurance policy. Just because the client's really concerned, he's not here full time, so he doesn't want to have to be worrying about if he's not here, that water is going where he doesn't want it. And then on top of that, we have another pump in this well that is battery backed up. So we'll have a battery over here within this bench that we're going to create to, if the power ever goes out and these pumps fail, it has a battery pump that's going to pump this water up this chase out into the yard, into the drainage that we've created up there. Thanks for stopping by Cedar and Slate to go over this drainage process we had to go through on this basement patio. As you know, we get a lot of water when it rains, because in Arizona it never rains, but when it does, we have to deal with a lot. So that's why we went to all these extra steps to make sure that we could get the water out of here, because you know water is probably the #1 enemy of a builder in making sure that their house is watertight and has a way to get the water out of here. Appreciate you guys stopping by. This is Paul Lundgren with A Finer Touch. Make sure you like and subscribe. Keep following our YouTube. More to come.